and it's 3.5 gallons right here. And it's a portable shower. Now you can heat it up. Stay here, Kaya. And again, there is a top to it, but I keep it off. And you can recharge it into the power source of your car or van or RV. And then you just turn the power on. The great thing about this one is it only turns the water on when you squeeze the handle. Now you can have it on continuously, but I don't want to waste water. There's only 3.5 gallons in here. And I'm going to be able to wash off all the dogs and the ramp and the stools with just 3.5 gallons. So if you're interested in this, check it out right now. You just put the water right in here. Just untwist it. Stay here, Kaya. And then I carry extra water with me. You see it right there. And then it tells you the voltage. And this thing's amazing. Okay, so we're going to get Jordan up here first. Wait, Jordan. We're coming. Okay. It may get a little wet on the screen. Oh, wait. We're not showing you guys. All right. Let's see if I can. All right. That's a little bit better angle here. It's going to stay. All right. Looks like it's going to stay. So we got the portable ramp here. And we got the portable stools and the portable shower. Okay, Jordan, come here. Jordan, no, this way. Okay, up. Okay, wait, Jordan. Sit. Okay, so Jordan's first. Jordan, can I have you back up just a hair? There you go. Okay, stay, Jordan. Daisy, wait. Okay, so then we're going to turn it on. Hold on, Jordan. Okay, we're just going to do a tickle, tickle. Okay, so you see, as soon as I squeeze, right here, everybody see this? As soon as I squeeze, it's going to turn on. See how it's just only turning on when I'm squeezing the handle. So it really saves a lot of water. So we got to get the paws so when they get in, it's just wet. It's a tickle, tickle for. It's a tickle, tickle, Jordan. You're very muddy today, Jordan. Sorry, Jordan. Okay, Jordan, I need this paw. Can you stand up? Jordan, can you stand up? Okay, wait, Jordan. Don't go in yet. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome to Hoots YouTube shop. Okay, wait, Jordan. Okay, hold on, Jordan. I just got to get your tongue on. Ooh, I just sprayed